What's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you every Rubik's Cube I have, and I'll be unboxing 2 new Rubik's Cubes. So let's get in with the video. So first, I'll start off with my biggest. This is the Mega Mix, I'm pretty sure. So all I've done is 2 sides. I got this one for my birthday. It spins really nice. You can't really speed with it because it's very big, but yeah. Really happy with this one. So yeah. So like, that's nice. The other one will be, I'll go with the hardest to easiest. So I'll go with this one. This one's hard. I've only had one side. I have to like move this whole thing. And then like get this thing to be working. It's really hard to do this, so yeah, for me. I don't know about you guys. No, I just mixed my cube up. Yeah, so that's the first I can get. So put this aside, and then I'll get to my middle hard ones. Just a 3x3. I got this one is the Speed 3x3. You can pick this up at any store. Speed Cube comes with some oil, like some screws. So that's nice. This one's the original. It's very like glitchy. You can kind of do some moves with it. It'll be slow. So original. Now we're gonna go on to my half broken 3x3, which is by Matt Volt. So yeah, we got this off of a Rubik's Cube website. Comes with a sticker right here. It's kind of faded. This one you can speed a lot with, so it's really nice. Most of the centerpieces are gone, so I used to bring them to school. But yeah, pretty cool. Now, I'm going to be with my easiest one. I can solve these in like 30 seconds. Let's do 2x2s. So, it's really happy. And I got this one. So I have these 2. So, it's really nice. So, let's get into the new ones, which are the Pyramix, right there, and this weird round one, which is called the Master Morphix. So, let's see, we should open Pyramix first, obviously. I've had one of these, but then I lost them, so it's really easy to open for some reason. So this is the one thing that for me to figure out how it's a good cube is this. If you can move those perfectly, you're the best cube. And I'm very jealous. So this is it. Yeah, definitely just mixed up my cube. I'll solve that later, it's fine. Just need the views. So that's it. This one's by Matt Volk, again. He solved this one in 4. So, the 3x3x3 cube world record holder is Matt Walt, and he solved it in 4.74 seconds. I can see people solve it in like 2 seconds. It's not the record. Oh well. Here's the instructions on how to solve them. It's in English, Chinese. I don't know Chinese, so like Krepeto. And we're gonna go to the Master Morphix. Here's another holder. Wait, just let me check. Is this a holder? You can solve this one in 745 seconds. So. Ooh, it has a nice package. Nice. Usually comes with an instruction pad, but this is it. I am not ever gonna mix this up because I think I know how to. Like, I mixed this one up and I don't know how to solve it back. So, it's nice. It's cool. Well, that'll pretty much wrap up the video. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite Rubik's Cubes. So, I might do them. And, please like and subscribe. And, yeah.